Greetings and welcome to. Come check this out. So, I made a GPT for government contracts, and I made it because I was looking for help and I had to do a whole bunch of research and I read through the entire regulation, federal regulation, in order to do government contracting. And I was like, this is dope, but I don't want to have to cross reference back and forth all the time. So, this is my government contact GPT. Let's get into the back end of this thing. So what I did, named it Government Contract Pro. Government Contract Summary and Guidance is the description. So the instructions, these are pretty bare bones. I did it in about 10 minutes. I just wanted to see if it worked. You will compare bids, solicitations with the Government Acquisition Regulation PDF. And I have uploaded it here. This is free and available in open source PDF. This is their regulation. So I just downloaded this PDF, uploaded it straight here. So that's the reference. List in bullet points. What is the solicitation for? Who is making the solicitation? Contact info. What is the time frame? What are the prerequisites? What are the requirements? The award amount, if possible. What compliances must be met for the solicitation with reference to the FAR? So that's what I did initially. Please upload a solicitation as the first thing. If you hit it, it'll give you the rundown of what it provides. So now we're going to go to sam.gov. I'm not registered. You can just go to this website, hit search, and see what the government is trying to solicit. So let's put in something pretty simple. Put in repair. Let's see what we got. Insulation repair. It's going to click it. Homeland Security needs some assistance. Let's see if they have a solicitation here. They do. We're going to download that, and we have insulation. All right, so I have those two bid solicitation pieces of information. I put them into a separate folder. I'm just going to drag and drop them here. And so from here, you can simply ask any question you want. I usually will ask probably one of these questions. The simplest thing to put in would be guide me. So that's what I'll type. And as you can see, it is doing its thing. And all this is pretty real time. I might put some chops in here, but everything is happening in less than 2 minutes. All right, so it's pretty much ran through the first little bit. It said it needs to refer to the FAR to compare notes, but as you can see, it's giving me the purpose, who did it, contact information, time frame, everything that I asked in the instructions. And so the last little bit here says, if you need additional compliance information based on the FAR, please let me know and I will review the FAR PDF. It's already uploaded, so you hit proceed. Please proceed to give you what you need. And please excuse my bad spelling. I can't spell that well, I guess. So this is a pretty hefty document. The FAR is 2,000 pages, and I've read most of it. I wanted to know what to do for government contracts. Looks like it had a brain fart. What I decided to do was to split the FAR into two parts because it probably doesn't like the tokens with a 2,000 page document. So let's try this. All right, I have split the PDF and I have updated the instructions. We're going to try this one more again. All right, so I'm pretty sure this is going to fail, but we've learned a lot in this experiment. I'm trying to see the capabilities of this GPT. I probably could read about the tokens. I just jumped in. I like to experiment. So the next step is to break the FAR into equal parts, maybe like 100 pages each. That's still going to be like 20 PDFs. But that way it can read through each of them. Also, in the instructions, I'll probably have a more detailed breakdown of what each part is. Just when I query this, I could be like, check PDF 2, PDF 3, all that good stuff. Or check the section on definitions. What does this mean? So someone can come in here, type what they need, and figure out what these things are. After they get ChatGPT, they can always just pull a PDF up, do Control F search, read it for themselves, verify that the AI is good. Definitely want redundancies. But yeah, the steps moving forward. Break the PDF into smaller chunks, give more description within the summary and the conversation starters. And then I will come back with an update. Government Contract Pro. Can I do this? Will I be lazy? Will there be a part 2? Find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z.